So to create our embeddings, the first step is to load our tokenizer. So we'll initialize the tokenizer and then run XLNet tokenizer .from pre-trained, and the model we're going to use is XLNet base cased. We'll then define our tokenize function. We want to return our tokenizer over our example's text. We'll set the padding to be the max length. And then set the max length to 128. We also want to specify truncation equals true. We can then apply this tokenize function over our dataset dictionary. So we'll create our tokenized datasets and then run datasetdict.map over our tokenize function and specify batch equals true. Once that is run, we can check our tokenized datasets. We can see we've been given a dataset dictionary with the features the label, the text, the input IDs, the token type IDs, and the attention mask. Let's go through and check some of these embeddings. So to start, we'll print a sentence from our data. We'll print tokenized datasets. From our trained dataset, we'll take the text and we'll just take the first occurrence. I then want to check how this has been converted into input IDs. So here we can see how this sentence has been converted into input IDs. It starts with a lot of number 5, so let's decode these just to check what they are. And yes, we can see these are the pad special tokens. Because we wanted to pad our data, these have been added to the start of the sentence to ensure all of our inputs are of the same length. Let's then check the token type IDs. So for the padded tokens, we can see these have been given a token type ID of 3. Our sentence has been given a token type of 0, and one of the special tokens has been given a token type of 2. You can now see how this helps the model distinguish what different things are, what different tokens are within the text that it's been fed. We can also see this with the attention mask. We can see all the pad tokens have been given a value of 0 because the model doesn't need to pay attention to these. The only thing it needs to pay attention to is where the 1s are in the attention mask. So this is our sentence and our special tokens. Let's just take a sample of the tokenized dataset for a training demonstration, or it'll take quite a while to run. We'll take our small trained dataset, and this will be from our tokenized dataset. We'll shuffle it, and then we'll just select 100 samples. The same for our evaluation dataset. But feel free to leave this step out or take a larger or smaller sample if you so wish. Now we have our training and test datasets prepared, we're now ready to fine-tune our model.